Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will discuss about types of antenna. Now we already know about the antenna. Antenna are devices used to transmit or receive electromagnetic wave. Their function is to convert electrical signals into electromagnetic waves. For transmission or vice versa for reception. Antennas are integral component in communication system, radar and broadcasting. So it's very important for our life. Now this is what we share the types of antenna. The common type. One dipole antenna, two monopole antenna, 3 loop antenna, and then parabolic antenna, and then array antenna, and then microstrip antenna. Now we start with dipole antenna. A dipole antenna is the simplest and most common type of antenna, consisting of two conductive elements, usually metallic rods, that radiate or receive electromagnetic waves. The structure typically consists of two equal length conductive rods aligned end to end with a feed point in the middle. Operation operates by generating electromagnetic waves when an alternating current is applied at the feed point. Application used in television and radio transmission, wireless communication, and more. Now this is the dipole antenna. Now look like this. A standard half-wave dipole antenna used in a Wi-Fi router typically has a length equal to the wavelength of the signal being transmitted or received, ensuring optimal performance at the operational frequency, example 2.5 GHz. And then monopole antenna. A monopole antenna is a variation of the dipole antenna, consisting of a single conductive element placed above a ground plane. The ground plane serves as a second part of the dipole, reflecting the signal. Structure: one conductive element on a ground plane that acts as reflector. Operation: typically shorter in length than a dipole and produce a strong vertical radiation pattern. Application used in mobile phone, car radios, and base station. Case study: mobile phone antenna often use monopole antenna due to their compact size and efficient radiation patterns from omnidirectional coverage. But this is a monopole antenna used in BTS, or base transmission unit. And then we can look at the loop antenna. A loop antenna consists of a loop or several loops of wire or other conductors. It is typically used for low frequency application and direction finding. Structure: a simple circular or square loop of conductor. Operation: operates by generating magnetic fields. It can be classified into small loop antennas with perimeter much smaller than the wavelength, and large loop antenna. Application: used in RF or radio frequency application, such as AM radios, and for direction finding in navigational system. Now this is the loop antenna. Look like this. A case study: AM radio receivers commonly use small loop antenna due to their ability to receive low frequency signal effectively and compact size. Now we turn into parabolic antenna. A parabolic antenna uses a parabolic reflector or curved disc to direct the electromagnetic waves into a highly focused beam. Structure: consists of a parabolic reflector and a feed antenna located at the focal point. Operation: reflects the electromagnetic waves emitted by the feed antenna into a narrow beam, providing high directivity and gain. Application used in satellite communication, radio telescope, and radar. Nah, you can see this is a big parabolic antenna, for satellite and radar. And then satellite dishes are a common example of parabolic antennas designed to communicate with satellites by focusing the signal into a narrow beam directed to the satellite. And then array antenna. An array antenna is a group of multiple antennas arranged in a specific geometric configuration used to increase gain, directivity, and reduce interference. Structure: multiple individual antennas or elements arranged in a linear, planar, or circular configuration. Operation: use constructive and destructive interference to steer the direction of the radiated beam. Application: used in radar system, broadcasting, and fast array communication system. Now we can see like this array antenna. Fast array radar system utilize array antenna to electronically steer the beam without physically moving the antenna. And then we continue into microstrip antenna. A microstrip antenna consists of a radiating patch of metal mounted on a grounded substrate. The patch can take various shapes like rectangular, circular, and many more. Maybe it's around 6 or 10. Structure consists of a thin metallic patch placed above a grounded dielectric substrate. Operation: transmits or receive electromagnetic waves by exciting the patch through a microstrip feed. Applications: used in satellite communications, GPS system, and mobile communication due to their lightweight and low-profile nature. And then introduction: microstrip antennas are widely used in modern communications system because of their lightweight, low cost, and easy integration with printed circuit board or PCBs. Now this is the microstrip example. This is the conductor, and this is the ground. This is the electric. And then this is the microstrip. Its size is small. That's why we call it microstrip. And then thank you for your attention. For reference, please refer to the Balanese and the other. I give you a few books in the WhatsApp group, and for collection on also the complete because this is just a basic that I give you, because if it's long then I have to make it a long PowerPoint. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.